Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ahmad English Coach. Guys, in this video you will learn about the parts of speech. So the first parts of speech is noun. What is noun? Understanding the basic of noun and English. Definition of noun. A noun is a part of speech in English. Noun represent people, places, things, or ideas. In this presentation, we will explore the definition types and example of noun. Example of noun: people, teacher, doctor. Places: chatty, fork. Thanks, car, phone. Ideas: love and freedom. Kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Common noun. The common noun is the name of common place, person, or thing is called common noun. Example: school, house, and what. Proper noun is the name of particular person, place, or thing is called proper noun. Example: Lahore, Mr. Ahmad, Rawal Dam, and so on, etc. The next types of noun we will discuss in other video like collective noun, material, and abstract noun. Thanks for watching.